Hey guys, how are you all doing? As you see in the picture, this is most viral and famous foldable fan, and it is called rechargeable fan as well. As you see in the picture, this is how it looks. It is super cute, and I'll provide a link in the description box. If you want, you can buy. Here the manual is given along with the fan. If you want, you can go through the instructions given. See, the charging point also is given, and you have this kind of design, and this is portable. You can carry wherever you want, but you need 4 hours of charging. And if you charge for 4 hours, as you see in the picture, a cable is given. You have to connect it to the charger, and you see here lights start blinking. Once they stop, that means the charging is complete. Otherwise, you can give a timer for 4 hours and then disconnect the charger as you wish. Here I'm showing you, you can even connect to your phone if you want charging. So it is dual use. And after you charge for 4 hours of time, at least 12 hours of time, you can see your fan running. Of course, as you say in the picture, it depends upon the speed. 4 levels of speed are given, and you can navigate by pressing the button again and again, and if you long press it, it will be stopped. Okay, this is pretty useful in summer seasons where there are more power cuts, right? And just you got to charge it for 4 hours and you can enjoy for 12 hours. It's adjustable according to your convenience. If you want to make it long, you can pull the neck up as shown in the picture, or otherwise you can make it short as well. 3 watts of power is consumed for recharging 4 hours of time. As you see in the picture, you can fold it in this way and carry it in your bag if you wish to. It is lightweight, and you can enjoy the cool breeze or different levels of winds that you have on this fan. It's durable and you can go for it without any regrets. It costs around 1300 rupees. If you've got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. That's it all for today. If you enjoyed the video, do subscribe, share Flying Skies 1 to your friends and family. Have a good day and keep smiling.